In this video, I'll be discussing how to write an application for bonafide certificate. So you should write the date in which you are writing the application. You should write the from address, that is your address, and to address, which is your school's address, which is addressing the principal. And the subject, you have to write application for bonafide certificate, and you should start the application with the respected principal that you're requesting for a bona fide certificate. For what purpose you're requesting, you should talk about here, and you should also talk about which class student you are and how long you are studying in that school. You should write here. You should also request for when you would be required this bona fide certificate and importance as well. You should talk about in this here, and as well as you should thanks your principal for issuing the bona fide certificates, and if any additional document is required also you can write here, and you should close the letter with your sincere and your name with your signature if you are writing your hard copy bona fide application. So this is how you should write an application for requesting for bona fide certificate